Yeah, this is something which can be very useful if you've made a spreadsheet that's producing graphs and charts and tables and reporting on data. Very often what happens is you may have a spreadsheet that you've made, or you might have bought one from someone like myself, which creates reports for people, and you want to take parts of that report and put it into another report. Maybe you want to put it into PowerPoint, or you want to put it into a Word document or a PDF or whatever it is that you're trying to do. There is a way to actually extract part of this as an image, and it's very, very useful. What you do is you simply go to whatever it is you want to take out of Excel, and you highlight, you select around that. You can possibly start there and make it even tighter, but sometimes it's best just to give it a little bit of a border. Bear in mind that the cells will show, so the grid lines will show. So what you might actually want to do, in fact, is when you're creating the spreadsheet, actually coloring around it to give it that the white full color, and then potentially give that whole thing a border, for argument's sake, something like that, so you know where to select. And then when you finish, you can actually come here like that. You can right-click, copy. Now, if the spreadsheet's locked, it won't work on a locked spreadsheet. But what you can do is you can even just open a brand new blank workbook, which will then be unlocked, and say right-click. And now, instead of using these pastes, actually go to paste special, hover over there, and it'll open more options. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll see there paste as a picture. You can paste that as a picture. Now we've got that as an image with the border all colored in white, all nice and neatly. Yes, you can see the grid lines where the numbers are, but that's fine. As you move it around, it looks like it's blank, but then it's clear, so you can see the other grid lines behind it, which looks a bit confusing. But then what you do is you right click, save as picture, and then you can save this wherever you want to save it, as a PNG, and then you've got that section of the spreadsheet as an image that you can then save. You could then as a PNG, and that one will be available as an image that you can then put into a Word document or a PDF or something else. So instead of taking screenshots and trimming it and all the rest of it, which when I started out, I used to do, take a screenshot and cut it out and paste that as an image. It's just far quicker and easier if you actually just select it, copy as paste as an image, and then save that somewhere. And you don't have to then have extra software to go and crop it and all the rest of it, and it's ready to go. So yeah, if that helps you, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.